The Nifty and Sensex broke through all ceilings today to touch new record highs. The Sensex crossed 64,000 for the first time and closed up just shy of 500 points. The Nifty breached 19,000 for the first time and touched 19,011, but retreated later to close up 155 points at 18,972. With indices rising for the third straight session, investors are richer by 3 lakh crore rupees. I'm joined by veteran market analyst Devan Choksi to discuss the future path for D Street. Devan, we were anticipating and really waiting for these levels to kick in. Markets have not disappointed. Where to from here?
Well, I think Abba, this is right. Market has been expecting the newer highs, and this time around the rise has been fueled by the participation of HDFC Bank into the rally. Up till now, this heavyweight stock has remained absent in participating into the market. And now that I think the stock has moved up due to the merger confirmation news of HDFC with HDFC Bank, it has possibly resulted also in influencing the other banking stocks to participate simultaneously, because the weight balancing had to be done. So obviously, along with HDFC Bank, we are seeing the participation elsewhere also in the banking space. Not completely surprised with this particular rally, largely because of the fact that the underlying fundamentals of the market have remained practically very strong. If the month of April, May and partly June has remained largely favorable to the mid caps, where people have made a lot of money, I would think that I think this money is now being shifted to the large cap stocks who have remained on sidelines in last 2 months. So to a greater extent, I think it's a rotation which has started happening, wherein people are booking profits from mid caps, putting money into large caps. Second point, as I mentioned, the larger amount of focus has started happening into the banking, where I think the HDFC Bank is leading the pack for obvious reasons. And third most important aspect, the government is spending money, which is now materializing into the larger projects. And this being the last year ahead of central election, in my viewpoint, I think maximum efforts and thrust would be on spending money in the economy and keep economy vibrant and buoyant. So all in all put together, it has also started attracting a lot of investment interest from overseas market. Today, Goldman Sachs CEO interview suggests that I think he is wanting to bring a lot of money into the country through his banking activities. So all in all put together, I think the market is taking the wind out of all the positive news, and where we are seeing the rally happening.
Absolutely. Devan, there's been a huge surge also in sort of interest when it comes to metal, power, oil and gas, that entire pocket of the market. Is that, because valuations are looking attractive? Is it looking fundamentally attractive as well? What, according to you, is working for that particular segment of the market?
So the demand side, this scenario is unquestionably remaining very, very strong in the entire commodity space, metal space as well.
Yeah.
Fortunately, with the controlled prices on the energy side, I think the earlier cloud which were there pertaining to the margin and people were suspecting margin abilities, I think this particular situation is now under control. So along with the demand in the commodity metal, we are also going to see the margin maintained, and as a result of which profits also grow along with the revenue. So that's where probably I think the participation has started happening. And partly you are right that many of the public sector or oil marketing companies have been languishing as far as I think their valuations are concerned. So maybe at a newer high in the market, those companies are catching up on the valuation as well. So I would say that is nothing changing as far as the fundamental is concerned. Maybe I think people are wanting to buy something which is not participated, and at the same time while value, they are available comparatively cheap than otherwise.